Welcome to Storm Center. West Virginia is facing a dangerous flooding emergency after powerful thunderstorms brought torrential rainfall across several communities. In just a few hours, rivers and creeks rose rapidly, turning roads into fast-moving rivers and leaving neighborhoods underwater. Emergency crews have been working around the clock, responding to numerous rescue calls as floodwaters trapped residents in homes and vehicles. In some areas, swiftwater rescue teams and helicopters have been deployed to reach people stranded by the rising water.
Idiot.
The intense rainfall triggered flash floods with little warning, causing significant damage to roads, bridges, homes, and public infrastructure. Authorities have urged residents to avoid flooded streets, as even a small amount of moving water can sweep away a vehicle.
Yeah, the fence just came down.